What's up, Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website right here called DollarTub, and maybe you're wondering, can you really make money watching videos online? Is this real or is this a fake website, right? Are there better ways to earn online? Now, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different strategies to make money online. Some of them really good, some of them so-so. A lot of them, though, are fake and a big waste of time. So let's check out DollarTub to find out how this stacks up against all the other ways to make money online, alright? Now, DollarTub is a website that says that you can watch videos and earn money, okay? Look, earn money by watching sponsored videos online and turning your screen time into real money. Now, that sounds pretty good, right? They also say that they're going to give you a $5 welcome bonus just for signing up, which is pretty normal with some of these kind of, watch videos, play games, GPT style websites. So what you can do if you want, right, is you can click on here to register, and it's very quick to register. You can do this from anywhere in the world, and they ask mainly for your name, your email, and your password. So pretty basic information here, and then once you join up with them, then you can get access to videos, okay? But before you do that, I just want to show you where there are some red flags here, okay, which I think are a little bit dodgy when it comes to this website. Now, the first thing that you have to understand is that when you actually log into DollarTub, all right, every video that you watch is very short. It's only about 35 seconds long, 40 seconds long, 45 seconds long, and they don't show you any ads, which I think is very strange. All right, that means you watch a full video. What they've done is they've linked some YouTube videos. There are no ads on the videos at all, and they'll pay you between 90 cents and 99 cents for every video that you watch. Okay, now for me that is very strange because I have done hundreds and hundreds of reviews. I've reviewed a lot of different websites online that also allow you to earn money by watching videos, and none of them would ever pay you 90 cents or up to 99 cents for just watching a 35-second video, because logically it doesn't make sense, okay? Now, for this particular business model, and I just want you to understand that this is important because I've reviewed so many of these websites, so I'm very experienced in understanding business models of websites, companies, things like that. And the legit ones, for example, I'll show you a legit one right now. It's called Hideout TV. You can check this out if you want, hideout.co, right? This is a 100% legit video watching platform where you can earn money by watching video ads, okay, or watching videos, okay? So this is a 2-minute video, this is a 1-minute video, but you have to understand that the way that these kind of companies make money is when you're watching the video, they will show you advertising, okay? So either on the platform itself, the website itself, or the video itself, they will show you these ads that pop up, and usually they're 15 seconds long, 30 seconds long, and they make money from displaying those ads to you, okay? So what they do is they take that ad revenue that they make and they just pass on a little bit to you. So on Hideout TV, it would literally take you days and days and days, maybe a week, a couple of weeks before you can earn $1 just watching the videos, okay? Because they don't make that much money from the ad revenue, right? Now, here comes along another company called DollarTub, which I'm reviewing right now, that says they're gonna pay you 90 cents to 99 cents just for you watching a 35-second video. Now think about that. How is that even possible? You've got an industry giant right here that will only pay you $1 after you watch weeks and weeks of videos, which just takes way too long in my personal opinion. I wouldn't even recommend this. And then this small little company right here says they can pay you, they just pay you ridiculous amounts of money. It doesn't make sense, right? Here's the other thing that doesn't make sense is that when you watch the videos on DollarTub, there is no advertising at all. Okay, so how are they making money, right? I don't know. That's the thing. And because I can't figure out how they are making money, that's a huge red flag for me, because basically there's no business model here. Now keep watching and I'm going to show you what I think their business model is and why even this website exists in the first place. So that's one major red flag, and I recommend that you don't register for this just yet. Keep watching, okay? So here's another big red flag. Now when I scroll all the way down, okay, and I go to their socials, right? If I click on, just hope you can see this. Yes, you can. If I click on their Facebook social, nothing happens. It's not active. If I click on Twitter, nothing happens. If I click on Instagram, nothing happens. And if I click on LinkedIn, nothing happens. Now, again, I've been reviewing hundreds and hundreds of businesses, channels, courses, business model over the years, and anytime a website that has social, little buttons here that don't work, that is a major red flag, and 99% of the time that website ends up being fake, okay? So the fact that this doesn't work is a massive red flag, And because of that, I just don't think that this is real. Another thing that's really weird, another red flag, okay, is if you scroll down, okay, and it says get the mobile app version, right, of DollarTub. Now, all legitimate websites, if they offer you a way to download their app through the Apple App Store, the Google Play Store, when you can basically download it directly on their website, right? Because they want you to download the app, you can register, and then you can log in. But for DollarTub, when you click on this, it says please log in to download app. Now, why is that? That to me is a major red flag, okay? I'll tell you why they want you to do this later on, but all legitimate websites will not ask you to do this, okay? Because they want you to download the app. So you should be able to just click on it straight away, click it on Google Play, and you would go straight to the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store, and you can download the app. But DollarTub doesn't allow you to do that, and they do that on purpose. And I'll share with you the reason in a second, okay? Now here's the other weird thing, all right? Now when you do register for this website, you're going to basically have an interface where every time you watch a video for 35 seconds, all right, you'll actually be paid 90 cents to 99 cents. You will see your income increasing every single time you watch a video. So it gets really exciting, right? But here's the thing, when you want to withdraw your money, they've got a withdraw section, and they claim that you can withdraw money through PayPal, through Paytm, through bank transfer. When you want to withdraw your money through PayPal, for example, it will say, oh wait, you have to make at least $100 before we can send you the money through PayPal. Now, anytime a company isn't clear about what the threshold is for you to withdraw the money, that is already a red flag. The other red flag here is a $100 threshold for a website like this is super duper high. Okay, I'll give you an example. Hideout TV, their threshold to withdraw is only $1. Okay, so now you've got just too many red flags here, right? Why do you have to watch up to $100 before you withdraw? That's gonna well, in this example, it won't take you that long, but the big question is can you withdraw your money? Okay, so lots of red flags here. Now let me show you this, okay? I'm gonna jump onto Trustpilot, which is a third-party review website, okay? I look for DollarTub, okay? Now you can see that it's got a 3.8 star, which is actually not too bad, but they've actually got a lot of 1 stars. Now what I like to do when I review stuff, all right, is I like to look at the 1 stars to see if there is a pattern, all right? If there's a pattern of complaints in the 1 star, usually that is the thing that's accurate, not the 5 stars, even though they have 63% 5 stars, right? Because these can be manipulated. But the 1 stars, if people keep saying the same thing, then that is actually the real problem. So let's look at the 1 stars and see what they say. It says here, right? This is Darren Busby from the UK. Okay, this is very recent. Lack of integrity. Lack of integrity watching videos is fine, and over time the account will slowly gain. However, try and claim the money and all of a sudden the goalposts have changed. Now they say you have to recruit 25 members like a pyramid scheme, not viable, and marketing costs of this will be higher than the payment due. Okay, so basically what they're saying is when you reach $100 to withdraw, all of a sudden the website tells you, oh, you can't withdraw, now you have to recruit 25 members before I can release your money. Okay, so they changed the goalpost. This is like, again, it's weird, right? Massive red flag. Look at this. Siska says, scam. Don't waste your time. After you reach $100, you have to do extra tasks and refer 25 people, and they have to enter sensitive information. Okay, so basically saying the same thing. Again, this one, 1 star. After watching all the videos for many days, I got to $134. I sent my details, but I was told to complete this, I need to refer 25 people and do 5 more tasks in order to get my money. Who does that, right? Anytime a website is asking you to do more things, they change the goalpost, that to me is a massive red flag. And most of the time, and I've reviewed other websites that do this, they usually end up being scams, okay? Because there's no reason why a legitimate website would force you to do that. They would just give you your money, okay? One more, and then I'll tell you why they do this, okay? 1 star, they're criminals. They never lost out on the requirements to be able to withdraw from the beginning. They just make you waste your data, then they come with some stupid condition of inviting 25 people to perform a task, okay? So basically the last 3 reviews have said exactly the same thing, which is probably the scam here with DollarTub. So you might be asking me, well, Aaron, then why did they bother creating a website like this, okay? It's all basically an information harvesting scam. So basically when you come here and register, what they're after actually is they don't want you to watch videos. They just want your name, your email, and your password. okay? Because what they can do is websites like this, and I've reviewed a lot of other websites that operate very, very similarly. They just harvest your data, and then once they've got your information, they sell it on the black market. People can do a lot of damage with your email address and your password, okay? So they're hoping that you're using the same password and the same email that you use for all your stuff, right? And this is really the scam right here. So I highly recommend that you do not use DollarTub, because DollarTub, you can see there are just way too many red flags right here. This one just looks up like this looks like a straight up scam, okay? Unfortunately, right? Now, if you do want to make a little bit of money watching videos, you can check out Hideout.tv. I've reviewed this on my channel as well. These guys are 100% legitimate. It's very cool. But the only thing that you have to understand is you don't get paid that much money. You know, if you spend like a week on this or a couple of weeks watching videos, you might make $1, all right? So they pay very, very little because they only make money through showing you ads, and they don't make that much money. So, you know, this is not something that's going to replace your income. You can't travel the world, you can't retire, but it's legit, it's free, it's global, and it is a free way of making a teeny, weeny little bit of money by watching videos. But I would stay away from DollarTub. Alright, now if you're watching this video right now, maybe you are looking for a way to make big money online. Right now on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different strategies, websites, apps where you can make some money, but out of all of them, I still think that there's one way where an absolute beginner who has no experience, you've never made money online before, has the best chance of going from zero to your first $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home. And if you would like to check out that strategy, I've got a free masterclass that shows you this strategy step by step. Just click the link below and I'll send you that free masterclass. You can check it out if you would like, all right? I hope you enjoyed this review of DollarTub. Be very careful with this website. This one is not good. I don't recommend this, and I hope to see you on another video review. Take care.